मतलब लाइक अभी जो SIR होगा हमारे यहाँ पे, तो अगर आपको कुछ हेल्प चाहिए होगी तो मुझे बता देना, मैं आ जाऊँगा। मतलब क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पे काफ़ी मैंने लोगों से बात की और उनको पूछ रहा था कि आप रजिस्टर्ड हो क्या, यंग लोग मोस्टली। जस्ट इमेजिन व्हाट वुड हैपन इफ 50 people do this, 100 people, 1,000 people across the country. Imagine what this map would look like. It will just like light up, and that gives me so much joy. Yes, my mind will be blown like puja. Giga Chad amazing person Dr. B.R. Ambedkar once gave us a mantra: educate, organize, agitate.
बहू में यहाँ के हम।
अच्छा, आप बहुए हैं यहाँ पे?
हाँ।
कहाँ से आए फिर आप? मतलब पहले कहाँ थे?
पहले तो हम सोनीपत हरियाणा।
अच्छा, सोनीपत में थे।
हाँ।
हाँ हाँ।
मैं का सोनीपत में था, ये ससुराल है।
अच्छा अच्छा।
हाँ।
तो सोनीपत से अच्छा लगता है।
अरे हम यहाँ पे एक सर्वे कर रहे थे। अरे आ जाओ, बेसिक सर्वे है। रेट योर नेबरहुड। Rate your neighborhood.
We are going to Humayunpur to try and do the survey, and we have Satvik with us, who is visualing again. Look at him. Just look at him. We have also realized he is the most famous person in this group right now, because
Yes.
yes,
But there's severe water shortage here, and she said the first 2 hours when the water comes, it's extremely stinky. It's bad. It's black in color.
are you
That's
awkward on camera?
Yes, I am really awkward on camera.
Are you
As you can
awkward right
see.
now that the camera is coming towards you?
Yes, I am.
A lesson to be learned here, nerd friends, that after the disaster that you just saw, that was terrible performance. Guys, prove them wrong. Just do it. I mean, you can be like moral superiority.
I will fix shit. तुम लोगों ने तो कचरा कर दिया है. You better come with me and protect me while I do it. You protect me. That is your literal job as a parent.
Hello, Nerd Army. I have a question for you. Are you frustrated with political parties, their netas, and your elected representatives? While parts of Delhi are getting black sewage water in their taps, Prime Influencer Narendra Ji Modi Ji is listening to Slovakians sing Vande Mataram and getting plaques and awards for making India the best country in the world. #Vishwaguru. While students are crying about NEET paper leaks and CBSE scam, 20 MPs from TMC are casually defecting and joining another random unknown party from the northeast, because why not? There is news coming in that Samajwadi Party might also have some defectors. Then maybe we don't know, the Congress में से भी फिर 30-40 लोग निकल जाएंगे. You know, it's normal nowadays. Matter ही क्या करता है? While thunderstorms in Uttar Pradesh ravaged the state and killed people, some dhurandhars decided to do chanda chori worth crores of rupees inside the Ram Mandir. Just imagine, inside the Ram Mandir corruption हो रहा है अभी. चोरी हो रही है. Trump has announced a deal with Iran for, I think, the 27th time. I have lost count. Israel continues to bomb Lebanon anyway. And US Navy is now bombing our ships also. 3 sailors have died. 1 sailor's body was seen rotting, and they had to plead the Indian government to come and take it or help them. Yeah. Meanwhile, Tucha Lucha Bacha Troll Abhijit Iyer Mitra is sending spies to CJP protests to disrupt it and getting them attacked by their own online mob. क्या बात है? Yeah, this is also happening. So freaking weird. Not gonna lie, looking at all of this, I am extremely frustrated and triggered. It makes me feel powerless and despondent as well. I'm sure you feel it too, especially if you care about this country, the world, and the humans that live on this pale blue dot in general, other than yourself. So I ask again, are you frustrated? If the answer is yes, then do you feel like doing something about it? Do you feel like fixing something that is within your reach? How about your own neighborhood? थोड़ा सेल्स पिच टाइप लग रहा है, मुझे पता है, आई नो, but it is a sales pitch. I am selling you civic change, civic activism. Buy it now. Stocks are rising. Buy. Gamble on this instead of other things. Buy. Just go ahead and right, so how do we fix our neighborhood? We'll come to that. First, watch some footage of us fumbling around trying to do this during the pilot stage of this campaign, which you will hear about. Testing out the survey today. We are going to. Thank you, Alu. Thank you. Yes, I know. We are going to go do the survey. And we are first going to Khidki extension, and from there we will go to, where is the other one? Humayunpur जा रहे ना? Humayunpur जा रहे. Okay. आप मुझे बताइए यहाँ पे बिजली का सिचुएशन क्या है, मतलब कि अच्छा है? अच्छा है। तो अगर 1 से 5 में अगर आपको रेटिंग देना होगा तो 1 मतलब बहुत खराब, 5 मतलब बहुत अच्छा। अच्छा, तो मतलब 1 अगर आप 1 बोलोगे तो बहुत खराब है और 5 बोलोगे तो बहुत अच्छा है। अगर 4 बोलोगे तो ठीक है 3 बोलोगे तो वैसे। तो कितना बिजली कटता है, कुछ होता है यहाँ पे? वैसे
बहुत कम कटती है।
मैम, आपको सेफ लगता है यहाँ पे? रात को कोई तकलीफ नहीं है या फिर डर लगता है?
नहीं ऐसी कोई चीज़
नहीं है। ठीक है।
प्रोग्राम है, कोई कहेगा ये इलेक्ट्रिक बात।
हाँ, आपको लगता होगा मैम, आपको सेफ लगता है ठीक है।
How did you feel after conducting this survey? Could have been better. What do you think? It could have been better. Yeah.
So I have someone with me who shall not be named but is doing the survey, who has some things to say. You will see my beautiful face and the environment while she talks. Go on.
So I spoke to one lady over here. She is a domestic help and she lives close by. And she told me that there are several issues here. While the safety and all is okay, but there's a severe water shortage here. And she said the first 2 hours when the water comes, it's extremely stinky. It's bad. It's black in color. And after those 2 hours, it starts to get better. But it's unbearable to be around that water for the first 2 hours when it comes.
Giga Chad amazing person Dr. B.R. Ambedkar once gave us a mantra: educate, organize, agitate. This is relevant here because the first step towards fixing your neighborhood is to educate yourself about it. Then organize, and uske baad agitate karenge. But that's way into the future. Don't think about it too much right now. We'll get there soon. This is a video where I tell you how you can educate yourself and how you can rate your neighborhood. Yes, educate, rate your neighborhood. And I'm not just saying it aise hi hawa mein. By the way, I spent the last weekend testing out a tool which will help you do the educate. What is this tool, you ask? Well, it's a magical Google form. Yes, it's a survey. We're going to do a survey. All of us. In the educate phase, my nerd army is going to become the most amazeball survey team in the entire country. That's the plan. And this is the tool. We did a pilot last weekend and I want to show you what happened. Do you see these dots? that are there, these are all surveys that were done by 13 people. We have gotten some 50 responses. Usme se we have taken like 41 which we thought were relevant. It has happened in Delhi, Agra, Pune, Mumbai, Goa, Sagar in Madhya Pradesh, and Silchar. Yeah, 13 people were able to do this. Just imagine what would happen if 50 people do this. 100 people? 1,000 people? Across the country? Imagine what this map would look like. It will just like light up, and that gives me so much joy. Yes! My mind will be blown. Like puja! Puja! Now you must be wondering, what is this survey that you speak of? How do these dots appear on the map? What the is happening even? See, the idea is simple. We have made a Google form with basic questions like, what is the quality of electricity supply in your area? What is the quality of roads in your area? Are there any other problems other than potholes? For shop owners, what can the government do to increase the infrastructure around your shop so that your business does better? Do you feel safe walking around in your neighborhood after dark? What are the civic hazards that you face in your neighborhood? And if you have a civic hazard, an emergency, do you know who to call? And what is the primary source of information about your neighborhood? Where do you get your news from? And finally, most importantly, what do you love about your neighborhood? Important. People should tell ना कि क्या अच्छा लगता है भाई neighborhood. Just I love Malviya Nagar sign लगाने से प्यार नहीं हो जाता ना. There needs to be a reason why you प्यार your neighborhood. Let us know. We take this form, we go out and ask questions to people in the neighborhood. Like this gentle lady who we asked about the roads in her area. रास्ते की क्वालिटी, रास्ता आपको कैसे लगता है? ठीक है, कैसा है?
हाँ ठीक है.
ठीक है. मतलब फिर से 1 से 5 में आप क्या बोलेंगे उसमें? 1 मतलब बहुत खराब, 5 मतलब बहुत अच्छा. Yeah, that happens. You see, the questions in this survey are designed to do 3 things. 1, encourage you, the surveyor, to go out and talk to people in your neighborhood about their problems. 2, get a sense of what they think about basic amenities and issues in the area. 3, extract more information on issues that are not covered in the form also. Basically, thoda sa time spend karo. Talk to people. For instance, in Malviya Nagar, we met a gentleman who told us about a problem that I had no clue about.
और पार्कों में बैड एलिमेंट्स बहुत बैठते हैं हमारे म्यूनसिपैलिटी के पार्कों में ना, जहाँ हम लोग सैर करने जाते हैं वहाँ के डे टाइम में और लेट नाइट में ऐसे एलिमेंट्स बहुत बैठ रहे हैं जो नशा करते हैं. उसके लिए हम जो लोग रहते हैं ना, हमें दिक्कत होती है, क्योंकि अगर मना करो तो हमें ये डर लगता है वो झगड़ा करें, रात को पत्थर मारे हमारे घर में ना. ये बहुत इंक्रीज़ हो रहा है. इसकी तरफ कोई गवर्नमेंट नहीं सोच रही. हम इंडिविजुअल अपने लेवल पे क्या करेंगे? हमें मना कर दिया जाता है एनजीओ की तरफ से कि अब इन ये पार्कों में जो लोग बैठते हैं, पार्क का पर्पज़ भी फेल हो जाता है ना. हमने सैर करने जाने पहले वो बैठे होते हैं. मेन ये दिक्कत है.
बिल्कुल. और मतलब आपको फिर रात को जब निकलते हो आप तो सेफ लगता है? वैसे
आपको रोड पे सेफ लगता है. हम पार्क वगैरह को हम अंधेरे में नहीं जाते.
अच्छा.
Literal parks and recreation is happening in my constituency right now. Good God. Now you must be wondering what happens to these responses. After you hit submit on the form, it goes into a database and then it shows up on a map. You can zoom in to find out more about where the survey happened and what the people have said and find out average ratings in the area. For example, Agra mein, look at this, electricity 5-star, roads 1-star. Even the most prominent road like MG Road is full of bumps and pots. Safety, civic hazards, emergency response. Look at all this, amazing. What they love, vegetation. Lovely. For now, this is a basic website. We'll keep making changes to it and adding more layers so that the information is more useful to you, me, everybody else who is watching this. We are designing this completely as an open source project. you will see this beautiful thing evolve as more and more people from this community, my nerd army, get involved in this. Abhi to pilot hua hai. Now see some more footage. Take.
So we just did a survey with a sus guy who Parnika said is from a very shady party. You want to talk about this?
From Shady Party, he is from, definitely, because as soon as we started asking for that we are taking this survey, he's like, कुछ गलत है ही नहीं हमारे मोहल्ले में, everything is fine, everything's 10 on 10. And we were like, but we can see the potholes as there. like अब काम होगा तो construction में गड्ढे तो होंगे ही. like but these are not those gaddas. He's like, no, चलने पे होता है, everything is 10 on 10. पानी भी एकदम बढ़िया आता है, जबकि we have had different answers that पानी का यहाँ पे actually shortage है. So yeah, we definitely think he's from some shady party and हम कट लिए वहाँ से.
Parnika, question for you. Aren't all parties shady now?
Okay, that's true.
Yes, friends, there would be times when you would meet some characters that would be sus, shady. But we have made a whole guidebook for you to learn how to conduct these surveys as well. So you go here and you click here and it opens a guidebook. Look at all the questions. Look. Pad lena, please. This is literally about educating yourself.
Say hello to Raj.
Hello.
How are you feeling
Very
so
good.
far?
Very good. Nice experience.
Great.
Yes.
That's all you have to say.
That's all I have to say. But like we have talked to a lot of people here and you will see like normal real working class problems in them. Everywhere you go talk to, you will see these common problems.
Are you
That's all.
awkward on camera?
Yes, I am really awkward on camera.
Are you
as you can
awkward
see.
right now that the camera is coming towards you?
Yes, I am.
A lesson to be learned here, nerd friends, that after the disaster that you just saw, that was terrible performance. Not everybody should be in front of the camera. Some people need to be behind it as well.
After doing this for a few days, I realized there was another big problem though. And it's a strange problem to have. The thing is, some people in this community are lonely. Yeah. On day 2 of the pilot, we did something a little different. I asked members of my channel to meet me at Khan Market. After some coffee and Korean buns, we were supposed to set off and do surveys in multiple areas. That's when nerd friend Manderi Lal told me that he tried to do the survey alone a day before and failed.
तो फिर मैंने उससे एक भरवाया.
हाँ.
एक मेरा दोस्त है, दिल्ली में रहता है. मैंने अभी जस्ट आने से पहले एक ओवर द कॉल उससे ये सर्वे लिया है.
हाँ.
मैं फिल करके भेजूंगा थोड़े.
Oh, okay. Oh, but like you did it alone?
Because
Why?
मेरे साथ कोई था नहीं
See,
ना.
that's why people say no. When a person comes alone, you need to take 2-3 people with you, especially one older person with you, so that they are more receptive.
चैनल पे मैं काफी कोऑर्डिनेट करने का ट्राई किया था, लेकिन कोई नहीं इंटरेस्टेड.
But now you can do it together.
Nerd friends, I see you. I feel like I know my community a little bit at this point. And I'll be brutally honest with you, we are a bunch of awkward, introverted penguins who have massive difficulty with social interactions in general, especially when talking to strangers. We are great at processing complex information and blurting it out as essay-style comments on the internet. Great skill to have. But the thing is, if we really want to fix something in the neighborhood, if we want to do actual politics, not the garbage one that you're frustrated with, actual politics, then we all need to learn how to talk to people IRL in real life. And to be honest, we have factored this into the Rate Your Neighborhood pilot as well.
How was your experience so far?
My experience was actually pretty good because I did not expect that people would respond so nicely and will be so willing, honestly, to answer the questions. They were very patient and they were really insightful. सबके अलग-अलग अपने subjective experiences were present. So that's one of like, I really had a good time, and this kind of motivated me to like do more and just see out, to ask random questions and just see if they answer or not. Even if they don't answer, it's fine.
How did you get over the first hesitation that you felt?
I think the first hesitation that I felt was, first of all, it really helps when you have people with you. Because I did have one partner with me who went around. So we both were there. So when I was like, okay, stuck, I'm like, I don't know how to ask the next question. They would just carry it on. And one of the ways I figured out was easier to answer is talk in the vibe that they are talking. In the sense, अगर वो तुमसे ऐसा कैसे करते हैं, ऐसा कैसे, ऐसे, like if they're talking to you like that, then talk to them like that only. But तो आपको दिक्कत आती है क्या, ये लोग सुनते नहीं हैं क्या? Like you have to match the aura. So
Language,
aura, language, exactly. If somebody is sitting at a tapri and talking, you have to, like, you know, this is also because maybe I do have like that kind of a background where we do collect researches. But I've realized if we go to an area where somebody is having chai, and so you have to sit down and have chai even if you don't like chai.
Karol Bagh, you want to go? You guys go to Karol Bagh, we'll go to Humayunpur then. Okay? So I will see you. Just call me once you're done. In any case, call me once you're done. And then if we are still in Humayunpur, you guys can come if you want. You can chill there. Okay? Okay. See you guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Best of luck.
Oh, by the way, this is Sparshcastic. While we went to Humayunpur to do the survey, Sparsh's team went to Karol Bagh.
भाई हम लोग यहाँ पे एक सर्वे कर रहे हैं, आपसे 2 मिनट बात कर सकते हैं? अरे हम यहाँ पे एक सर्वे कर रहे थे. अरे आ जाओ, बेसिक सर्वे है. रेट योर नेबरहुड. रेट योर नेबरहुड. भाई से पूछते हैं, भाई पोपाए. अरे आ जाओ, आप लोगों से बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. सर्वे कर रहे हैं, रेट योर नेबरहुड. थैंक यू. बताओ, सर्वे में ही पार्ट नहीं ले रहे हैं लोग. बिचावा यहाँ पे अटका हुआ है. हम कैब के पास पहुँच जाते हैं. भाई मैं एक वीडियो शूट करने के लिए करोल बाग जा रहा था. करोल बाग में कौन सी जगह थी जहाँ पे हमने वीडियो शूट करी थी, बताना ज़रा. एक जगह थी ना जहाँ पे हमने बुक शॉप किया था शूट, याद हो तो आपको? रोड कौन सी थी वो वाली? $60 lakh, 70 lakh rupees.
You can watch Rate Your Neighborhood Karol Bagh edition on his channel. Link is below. Yes, दो POV से तुमको दिखाई देगा सर्वे कैसे हो रहा है. Anyway, enough chat. It's time for some Humayunpur action from the POV of my team. Enjoy wholesome survey shenanigans.
Yeah.
In general. So you...
That guy has recognized me and he is looking at me and wondering if he should approach. I saw it because he removed his headphones and all.
Oh, that's nice, Tana. You can just say hi. Has he recognized you or has he?
I don't know. He's looking at me, so I was wondering. I saw you looking at me and remove your headphones. Hi. How are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. I'm Meghnad.
Yeah, I have seen you in Satvik's story.
Hello. We are going to Humayunpur now. One team is going to Karol Bagh. It is day 2. We are going to Humayunpur to try and do the survey, and we have Satvik with us, who is visualing again. Look at him. Just look at him. We have also realized he is the most famous person in this group right now, because
Yes.
Yes, he is.
I agree.
Yeah, and someone recognized him, and I thought that person had recognized me. And then they're like, नहीं मैं तो सात्विक से मिलने आया था, and I got a reality check by this boy.
आपके पास 10 मिनट है? बाप रे। तो हम लोग ना एक सर्वे कर रहे हैं, रिसर्च कर रहे हैं कि तुम्हारा अपना मोहल्ला कैसा है, तो उसके पे रेटिंग करना है, तो उसी पे कुछ 4-5 सवाल है, मैं पूछ सकती हूँ?
अच्छा, यहाँ पर पावर सप्लाई कैसा है? लाइट वाइट
जाती नहीं,
जाती नहीं है, और वोल्टेज का प्रॉब्लम वगैरह
कभी
नहीं है ना?
पानी भी कभी जाता।
पानी नहीं जाता। अच्छा, और यहाँ पे कभी ऐसा कुछ हो जाए कि लाइट चली जाए या मतलब कोई क्राइसिस आ जाए पानी का बाद,
आती वापस।
तो आपको पता है वैसे कांटेक्ट किसको करना है, आप किसको कॉल करोगे?
मैसेज आया था फोन पे,
व्हाट्सएप पे?
हाँ
अच्छा, व्हाट्सएप पे।
हाँ, बताया ऐसे फोन करके
हाँ हाँ,
लाइट आपकी जाएगी,
और फिर बता भी देते कब तक आएगी।
बात ही पुरानी है।
अच्छा, कितने साल हो गए आपको यहाँ रहते हुए?
ये यहीं की बहू है, यहाँ की बहू है, यहाँ के हम।
अच्छा, आप बहू है यहाँ पे?
हाँ।
कहाँ से आए फिर आप? मतलब पहले कहाँ थे?
पहले तो हम सोनीपत हरियाणा।
अच्छा, सोनीपत में थे।
हाँ।
हाँ हाँ।
मैं का सोनीपत में था, ये ससुराल है।
अच्छा अच्छा,
हाँ।
तो सोनीपत से अच्छा लगता है?
तो मैं क्या, तो सबको ही अच्छा लगता है ना।
वो भी है।
वहाँ पैदाशी होती तो मैं क्या, तो सबको ही अच्छा लगता।
रोड के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है? रोड ठीक है, कैसा है?
रोड तो ठीक ठाक है, पर ये जैसे ये कोई प्लानिंग आती है ना, जैसे ये आईजीएल आ गई,
हाँ।
या कोई कुछ डलना है,
हाँ
तो ये क्या करते हैं, जैसे ऐसे ये गड्ढे कर रहे ना, ऐसे खोद के चले जाते हैं,
हाँ।
और इनको रिपेयर नहीं करते।
रिपेयर नहीं करते।
हाँ।
हाँ। तो पर वो कंस्ट्रक्शन तो हमेशा चालू ही रहता होगा फिर, मतलब वो
हाँ,
आते हैं।
जैसे अब करते क्या है ये, या तो आदमियों को ऐसा करना चाहिए ना कि भाई आप जैसे रोड बना रहे हो, या तो कोई नेता ऐसा होना चाहिए, मान लो रोड बना रहा है भाई नेता, पहले ही कंपनियों को भेज दे, भाई मैं ये रोड बना रहा हूँ, आपको अगर इसमें कोई काम करना हो तो करवा सकते हो, मेरे 2 महीने बाद मैं रोड बनाऊंगा। तो जिसको भी अगर काम कराना हो पहले करा लेगा।
हाँ।
और ये आप ये क्या करते हैं, पहले तो रोड बना देते हैं, बाद में इसमें तोड़ फोड़ करते हैं।
बिल्कुल सही है।
वो फिर रोड खराब हो जाता है।
हाँ।
तो यहाँ पे अगर कुछ होता है तो आपको पता कैसे चलता है उसके बारे में? मतलब व्हाट्सएप से या फ्रेंड्स?
हाँ, व्हाट्सएप से जैसे ग्रुप होता है, यार
हाँ।
दोस्तों के हो गए,
हाँ।
गाँव का कोई ग्रुप हो गया।
तो RWA वगैरह का ग्रुप है यहाँ पे?
हाँ, गांव में RW है, उसका ग्रुप भी है।
ग्रुप है, उससे पता चल जाता है, मतलब वो अपडेट करते हैं आपको।
हाँ।
मतलब वो लगे। ठीक है।
आप जैसे हिमायतपुर है, हिमायतपुर का ग्रुप बना हुआ है,
हाँ।
कोई किसी को दिक्कत होती है तो वो ग्रुप पर डाल देते हैं।
अच्छा, बढ़िया, गुड। बाय द वे, आई जस्ट रियलाइज्ड ज्ञानेश इज स्टार्टिंग SIR टुमारो इन दिल्ली।
ओके।
तो ये यहाँ से ही शुरू होगा।
ओह,
हैं। Now that I think of it,
आना है?
we should come and visit and see. यहाँ पे सब BLO का मीटिंग भी होगा।
Want to?
Oh yeah, and we also went to the local BJP office to hear what they have to say. Because why not?
Hi, come sit.
दादा आप इस तरफ आ जाओ, फिर यहाँ आ जाएंगी, आप इधर आ जाइए। ये मेघनाथ जी हैं, इन्होंने नहीं इलेक्शन लड़ा था, जब सतीश जी ने इलेक्शन लड़ा था ना, उसी टाइम ये निर्दलीय खड़े हुए थे। आप काफी फेमस है यूट्यूब वगैरह से, और सोशल की बात कर रहे हैं। मैंने सोचा कि आपको देखा तो।
हाँ।
Have to say, they were generally nice people who wanted to feed us chai and momos. In fact, they were the ones who recognized me and called me to their office and introduced me. Then they started telling me about the issues of Humayunpur in great detail and with great pain also.
ये मार्केट है ना जो, वो बनी है इंटरनेट से।
हाँ,
कि भाई आप इधर आओ।
सही बात है।
तो इंटरनेट से कि फेल होते हुए टाइम नहीं लगेगा, इधर तो बहुत गंदा है, इधर बहुत गंदा है।
हाँ, वो भी है।
हाँ, तो फिर वो डाउन जाते हुए भी टाइम नहीं लगेगा।
हाँ।
एक बंदा डाल देगा कि डोंट कम हियर,
हाँ।
इट्स लाइक गार्बेज,
हाँ,
तो आने वाले 10 वो नहीं आएंगे।
नहीं आएंगे।
डाली
यार, यहाँ पे सीलिंग का भी प्रॉब्लम चल रहा था अभी। वो क्या वो आग लगी, उसकी वजह से यहाँ पे हो रहा है
बहुत ज्यादा।
वो जो 2 घटनाएं घटी ना
हाँ
पूरी दिल्ली में शोर मचा, पूरी दिल्ली में नहीं है।
हाँ, मतलब लाइक अभी जो SIR होगा हमारे यहाँ पे, तो अगर आपको कुछ हेल्प चाहिए होगी तो मुझे बता देना, मैं आ जाऊँगा। मतलब
क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पे काफ़ी मैंने लोगों से बात की और उनको पूछ रहा था कि आप रजिस्टर्ड हो क्या, यंग लोग मोस्टली। गाड़ियाँ बंद करनी चाहिए, मुझे लगता है एक 2 व्हीलर होना चाहिए। 2 व्हीलर ठीक है, 4 व्हीलर
हमारा खुद का प्रपोजल है टू इंस्टॉल बैरिकेड्स वगैरह।
हाँ
So the thing is the entry and exit of हुमायूंपुर also एक हाँ आधा घंटा, जैसे अगर कैब कभी बुक करनी है तो कैब बुक करने के अंदर तक आने के लिए भी आई थिंक दैट शुड बी क्लोज्ड ऑफ। पार्किंग थोड़ी दूर ही हो जानी चाहिए ना, उतना तुम वॉक कर लो इन जनरल। हाँ
Yeah, some people in the BJP do care. Seems like it. Dear viewer, have you heard about the bystander effect? मैं बताता है. It's a concept in psychology which says that individuals are less likely to help a victim or take action because others are present. For instance, if there is a fire on a floor of an apartment building with 10 flats, the bystander effect can kick in. Every resident in the flats will start thinking that someone else will call the fire department, someone else will put out the fire, and they will just depend on each other, then nobody will do anything and जल गया सब कुछ. Bystander effect results in diffusion of responsibility, which means someone else will do it. And in India, that someone else is usually an extremely incompetent administration and government. How is it going for you? Someone else will do it. Fine, leave it. Jalne do. Because of the bystander effect during a crisis, people experience ambiguity of impact. Meaning, they don't know if helping someone or participating in action will actually help. So they resort to throwing money at their problems and hoping that it will go away. Paisa phek, tamasha dekh. Oh, and in a caste-coded country like ours, there is also fear of judgment and community backlash. In India, because of caste, where people think social hierarchies are set in stone, and gender and other factors and class as well, so people are really scared about upsetting their own community because they look at all the other communities as hostile. So if you help or do something which the community might not like, you just don't do it. Also bystander effect. And then of course there is pluralistic ignorance. That is when we assume that others are okay with this shitty situation we are in. Dunia jal raha hai. It's fine. If you are bombarded by propaganda through media and WhatsApp on a daily basis, making you believe sab changa si, everything is fine, all is well. Yeah, we do tend to assume that everything is fine. Even if you open the window and see the world burning, and then you see on WhatsApp and Instagram some reels where they are showing like, oh look how amazing the Lucknow highway is, planes are landing on it. You're like, kya mast chal raha hai re? Mast chal raha hai. Your neighborhood is burning though. Bystander effect. Nerd Army, our first act of rebellion has to be to fight this bystander effect that is all within us. And it would take a lot of hard work, not joking, it will take a lot of hard work. Look, it's simple, I have been saying this for the last year now. I want my Nerd Army, you, to be a force for good. And for that, we can't just sit in our homes and leave internet comments all the time. We need some boots on the ground, awkward penguin action. In other words, go out and do shit. But now you must be wondering, how do I do that? How do I become a part of this amazing project? Where do you even start? The answer is rate your neighborhood. Rate it. Rate your neighborhood. Here is a step-by-step guide on how you can rate your neighborhood and become a part of this amazeballs nerdy civic activity. Step 1. Take this QR code. This will take you to the form. If you want the link, it's bit.ly/ryn form. And if you want the QR code, it's right here. You can just screenshot and spread it and take it with you. Step 2. read the guide that we have prepared for you. We have given all the instructions, including a sample script on how to approach people and what to do when they respond and where you should pause. We have also given some notes on politeness. Please pad lena. Very important. Be polite when you do this. Be nice. Be kind. Step 3. Find a partner to do this with. Your mom, sibling, friend, spouse, Tinder date. Just take someone with you to do this survey. Don't do it alone. Turn it into a bonding exercise if you feel that is necessary. A lot of you have been telling me and complaining about how your relationship with your parents has, well, kachra ho gaya because they are a different ideology, different party people, whatever reason. Well, I'm giving you something to repair that broken relationship with your parent by telling them that you are going to try and fix the neighborhood. And they better come with you because you need protection. Simple as that. I know, emotional blackmail thoda sa. But hey, it's not entirely a lie, is it? The generation that came before me, the boomers, they gave us climate change. My generation gave the Gen Zs social media to induce brain rot into their brains. I take full responsibility on behalf of my generation. And now both of these generations are calling Gen Zs lazy.
उठते ही नहीं है, जाते ही नहीं है, कुछ करते ही नहीं है.
Guys, prove them wrong. Just do it. I mean, you can be like moral superiority.
I will fix shit. तुम लोगों ने तो कचरा कर दिया है. You better come with me and protect me while I do it. You protect me. That is your literal job as a parent.
Do it. Trust me. I think everyone has the same views and frustrations about local civic problems. Modi ji मजेदार होगा. Modi ji amazing. Rahul ji amazing. But kachra, baju wala kachra, everybody is complaining. Trust me on this. Use it to fix your relationships. Step 3.5. Going back to the loneliness thing, if you don't find anyone to do this survey with, it's okay. I have a proposal for you. This weekend, go to any of these locations at the given time. We are doing a Nerd Army meetup at these places. Note it down. Here you will find like-minded awkward penguins to do this survey with. And when penguins come together, we conquer the world. I believe it. Oh, also additionally, food, coffee and local public transport conveyance for this adventure/expedition is on me. I am committing 30,000 rupees of my own money to do these meetups in various cities. Right now we are working on 4 of them, but we will do more over the month until I will exhaust my money. Honestly, I am not earning anything from this. I am spending money. If you are interested in contributing in another way and making this project go places, then please scan this QR code. Add to the Nerd Army Meetup Fund and help feed some hardworking surveyors and data validators. Yeah, utna to kar hi sakte ho. I hope. I mean, because if I run out of money, this project kind of ends, doesn't it? Sad, but kya kar sakte? So yeah, try supporting. And if you have any feedback, you can always write to me on megnerd@gmail.com. Yes, if you have any feedback or if you want to host a meetup in your own city for other awkward penguins to come and meet and gather, please write to me on megnerd@gmail.com. Put a subject line saying Nerd Army City Meetup Request. I will know, and put the city's name also in the subject. Now coming to step 4. Get out there and start surveying your neighborhood. Aim to do at least 3 of these and try to include a wide range of voices, as wide as you want. Want to find out how the people in the basti beside your neighborhood live? Well, go there and find out. Want to know how the posh neighborhood people beside that basti live? Well, go there and find out also. अच्छा सा contrast दिखेगा. You will see such a contrast. Amazing.
Do the problems match? Are they facing the same problem? Is the rich basti getting kala pani also, or is it only the poor basti that is getting the kala pani?
Well, find out and rate your neighborhood. Put it on the map. Let everybody know. One thing you have to be careful about, this survey is completely anonymous. We are not collecting data of respondents at all. Do not record their videos and faces. Please don't. Maintain that privacy. Do not ask for their names, numbers, or addresses. Be clear that you are not from any spam company or political party to collect data and exploit them later. Do not do that. You, the surveyor, has to give your own information, because then you are putting a stake in this project and it will also help us with the data validation later. Step 5. Visit this link and see your survey go up on a map and become a part of the survey universe being done by Nerd Army across the country. Watch as the map lights up with your own hard work. Read testimonials of people from all around the country and what problems they face. That's about it. That's the plan. That is the educate. On my end, I will be keeping a watch on these survey responses with myself and a team of data validators. We might even give you a call if we see that you're sincerely doing this, and talk about your experience and collect more qualitative data. It will help us refine our raw data and make it better, because some of the responses we might have to do again. And then it will become more insightful for the community at large. The other secret motivation I have is that I'm really excited to talk to you, my surveyor nerd friend. I just want to call you up and tell you that I'm proud of you after you do the survey. If you do the survey, honestly. But yeah, I'm looking forward to talking to my nerd army and also forming a nice little community of amazing awkward penguins who care. And I want to give you a call, so do it. Rate your neighborhood. Tuk, 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 tuk. Friends, it is time to become a force for good. Screw the shitty politicians and their parties. Honestly, I have no hope. I don't know why you have hope. If you are in a place like I am, then come together. When nerdy, smart, kind, caring citizens like you and me come together, nobody, I say nobody, can stop us. It's time to educate, organize, and agitate. Nerd Army, assemble!